Hey guys, so we're just back to the cabin after being gone a couple of weeks, and I did all that work to the bathroom to try and complete things. And one of the very obvious things we're missing is a blind on this window, and that's mostly important because that is the driveway right there. That's any person that arrives here is right here, and we have no privacy in this bathroom whatsoever. Hasn't been a problem because we don't really know very many people here yet, but pretty much anybody, if you're taking a shower, you're wide open to the world. So Lori got this blind ordered to fit this window. I like it. It's still going to let some light through, and we're going to hang that today and get a little bit of privacy in this bathroom. It takes these kind of clips, came with all the screws and hardware, and then you can either install them this way, but I'm gonna see if I can install them this way so that all the screws go into the wood that's here rather than have to screw into that vinyl window. It'll be a lot stronger. I've tested it out. It looks like it will work fine putting them this way. So I'm just going to go mark where those screw holes are, get a drill, pre-drill some of the holes, and let's give this a shot. It shouldn't take too long. Okay. In my never-ending saga of I own the right tool, but it's not here with me, or I've taken it to camp and I need it at home, I don't have any type of centering punch or anything here. So I'm going to use this small Phillips screwdriver. I just need to poke some holes so I see where to pre-drill. All right. It's perfect. Love it. Well, there we go. Privacy and a blind in the bathroom. Might be one of the easier projects we've done so far.
Just got back from grocery shopping in town to see that my blind has been put up. So happy with it. It's really pretty. Got it off of Amazon, and you were able to order it to custom size, which was super easy. They were quick to reach out to me the minute I placed the order almost instantly and double checked all my measurements and explained how it will be installed and make sure that I measured from this point to this point and confirmed. And then once they shipped it, they sent another message. So yeah, that was pretty, they were really, really great. I'll have to maybe put in the comments what I ordered. Right now, Sam's building a cabinet that's going to go right in here. So he's been working on this as well while I've been gone. So busy bee. It was something I was going to put together, but I'm kind of glad he's doing it because it looks like there's a lot of pieces.
I figured I could wait for you to start it, spread all the pieces out, and have me take over, or I could just start it.
Good call. Good call. I'm pretty excited by this towel holder. This will be pretty cool. Sam's going to hang that up for me next. It's got a little weird bend in it. I'm not sure if he's going to fix that or not first, or if we'll just try it out. Because the ring might be too tight to the wall and it's not something easily adjusted, but because it's welded on. But we'll take a look at it. I just don't want it to break, so we're just kind of being cautious with it. But it's going to go right here. That's going to be so nice. Hey, honey, what you working on?
Plumbing and sink.
Oh, we got a hole. That's good. Oh, yay.
You get excited about holes?
I am excited to have plumbing in the sink. It's probably one of the last projects for the bathroom, right? Major projects, I guess.
Major projects. Yeah, I got little things to do, but
Yeah.
yes, not have a bucket under the sink.
Yeah, we were using a bucket the water would go into. Here is said bucket. Doot. And yeah, so a lot of times in the mornings I just brushed my teeth at the sink here in the kitchen. But yeah, nice. One more thing done in the bathroom. Super excited.
Cut it, put a stop, put a 90. Okay. Did you catch me thinking out loud?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. So, anywhere around there.
Ta-da! No more bucket. Now we have a plumbed sink.
So here we are at the business end of camp downstairs, and the new bathroom line comes down through this floor and then is directed towards the south wall. And to this point, this will be the permanent line. And then everything after it to get it connected and over to the system is just temporary. That's where the existing kitchen sink is. I tied into the same area. However, when we do the remodel, the kitchen sink will move this direction. In fact, it may move as far as this bay that I already ran through. That'd be awesome if it worked out that way. And so next year when we got the cabin and redo the kitchen, the remainder of that will get redone. But for now, it allows us to use that sink in the bathroom, which is a really big upgrade and something Lori wanted.
Pretty excited because we're going to do one last project before we start packing up to go home for the winter. And that is to change out this old door for this new beautiful door. How gorgeous is that? So I'm pretty excited. Sam brought the kit that we need to put the doorknob in, and he's just measured out the existing door, and it's pretty much identical. So it should be a pretty simple job. We shall see.
How's that the top?
Don't fall. just to make it easier. We've lined up the two doors and marked where the other hinges were on the old door so that we know exactly where to cut it out. So once again, we've become victims of not having a tool here at camp compared to what we have at home. So we're making do. It just makes it a little unpredictable being able to carve this out using that tool versus using a chisel.
Yeah, just trying to make sure I don't go too deep. I'd rather have to come at it a time again than... Oh,
It's in
that's
there.
actually not terrible. I'll go with that.
Perfect. One more to do. So we ran into a little snag, and that is the screws that came out of the previous hinge. Well, they're actually quite a bit larger than the screws that came with these, and the holes are too big. So Sam's just gone to get actually a golf tee, I think, and he's going to fill those holes so that these work better.
And that should hang this one now.
So that's the gadget that was at home.
Yes.
So
And
now,
the hole saws that go with it.
oh, cool.
No stress.
Oh, that's so pretty.
These go this way.
How many trips to the basement do you think you've made today?
I think my Sammy trail's coming back. We'll try it.
Ta-da! And that's it.
That is as far as we're gonna go on that. That's
Oh my
open and
gosh.
closing nice.
My turn, my turn. Beautiful. Well done. I know I shouldn't be so excited by a door, but anything new in this cabin is always great.